So in this video we're going to talk about how to make, use two glazes, one to make the inside a certain color and then the outside a different color. In order to do that, you'll need a little measuring cup, which are in the cabinet near the glazes. First things first, always, we're going to mix the glaze. I'm using Pete's Cranberry for my first glaze. This is going to be on the inside. I always recommend doing the inside first. I'm just going to set that there for now. And I like to kind of make sure it's not too drippy. Hopefully you guys can see this. I just pour it right in. Set that to the side. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to turn it and pour it out at the same time. And you can see the whole inside is all Pete's Cranberry now. And then if I want to, I can go ahead and clean up this edge a little bit with a sponge. The next step is to put the next glaze on. So I'm going to scooch you on over here to this next glaze, which is, in this case, is Randy's Green. I'm going to go ahead and stir this one up. And I'm going to dip the outside. So you have a couple options. You could just dip it in this way and try and get right up to that line. Or you can dip it in here, and the air inside will actually keep the glaze from going all the way in. Let that drip a little bit. I like to make sure there's not too many drips so I don't flip it over and then it runs inside. Once it's soft, dry enough to touch, then you can see the glaze just goes in a little bit so it'll overlap, but it should look pretty nice. If you want to accent the rim, you could even dip it, in another color, or add some glaze to the rim. I might dip this one back in the Pete's Cranberry, just so I have that nice overlap like you see on the glaze wall. So, let's scoot you right back over here, and I'm just going to dip just the rim so that what I see on the glaze wall will be kind of right here on the outside. There we go. So this has a few layers of glaze right here. The inside is one color, the outside is a different color. And if I want to get rid of these little finger marks, I can just take my finger, dip it in a little glaze, and tap it on there. Although I kind of like finger marks, but too late, I've already done it. Sorry, I shouldn't be doing it over this one, but I wanted to show you.